A, I would like to say that I love my job. B, I would like to say I love you, Asteroid Fight Club. And C, I would like to say, well, that hurricane I was talking about we would be looking out for on October 13th is probably going to happen, and it's going to be over land. That's right, 987 millibars of pressure is hurricane strength, even when it's over land. So yeah, winter is coming. We've got our first big snowstorm coming in October 13th, and we will be on the lookout for wild weather pretty much from the 9th through the 24th of October. And we've still got this low pressure thingy down here that we were watching out for. Sound good? All right, life is short, and tomorrow is guaranteed to no one. So be sure and enjoy every good moment and every good mood you have. We're looking at the very latest GFS model run. We're going to be getting some heavy rains up into the southeast. We got a low pressure system that's going to be doing some funky stuff over the next few days. It will continue to need to be watched. And then we've got that giant storm that will bust over the USA in a week. So, and then we've got rain that'll start coming into California. So it is definitely going to be an active weather period. Hey, y'all, I've still got $566 left to raise to hit my fundraiser goal for October. So if you'd like to contribute, you know what to do. Yeah, we got a lot to watch. And pretty dang sure it's going to be very active weather October. Not only just hurricanes, hurricane-like storms, but of course volcanoes and possibly earthquakes. And then of course we'll be on the lookout for major supply chain issues throughout the winter and fall. United Kingdom natural gas prices look like they're hyperinflating, but they're probably not. They're just superinflating. Yeah. You know, I don't know, man. Like, our work for modernizing energy in the grid over the last 40 years has been pretty shitty across the board. Hey, Bitcoin's up to 55,000 again. Is this going to be the peak before it gets its ass kicked in December? I don't know, maybe. Definitely maybe. Tom Nizzy Ensemble still showing 500 millibar low, lifting out of the southwest next week, could bring first significant snowstorm to parts of the Rockies through the northern plains. Great Colorado low setup. Winter is coming. And I have an old saying at THORnews that, you know, the earth weather is kind of like a lava lamp with a hot side, or it's like a McDLT. You got the hot side is hot and the cold side's cold, and then it bounces around like a lava lamp. And so it seemed like 75% of the earth is always much hotter than usual. And then you have part of the earth that is much colder than usual. And everybody tends to bumper sticker and oversimplify everything involving our climate, our weather, our star field, our atmosphere, space weather. Everybody just wants to bumper sticker everything. Well, hey, can't bumper sticker everything, dude. You know, unless you want to sound like a dumbass. I don't want to sound like a dumbass. Or I don't mind sounding like a dumbass if it's hilarious. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is coldest season on record down at the bottom of the planet, Antarctica, is negative 78 degrees Fahrenheit. That is freaking cold. Anomalously. Man, I can say I relate to Sam, because Sam, although a fish storm and no danger to anyone, he was just an absolute fighter from beginning to end. And I think he even stayed to like category 4 strength, really up high into cold waters. Once again, proving that we sure don't know exactly 100% everything about hurricanes and what causes them and makes them strong. Fun weather continues for California after a major lightning storm. Looks like they might be getting another one this Friday. Now that's a cutoff Gene Jorts. I tried to make a joke. Yeah, this is the storm system that is happening over the USA right now as we speak. Some heavy rain down south. You got some flash flood watches, some flash flood warnings, some river flooding happening, and some Texas fog. But then you got super heat warnings and watches up in the Dakotas and in Montana. So yeah, the weather's weird. Reading off of Mike's weather page, afternoon models on tropical tidbits showing possible low pressure waves sliding west this time next week. GFS isn't, but some ensembles are. And remember, this is the area we were watching for more possible hurricane major weird weather formation around the 13th. That has been our danger zone, the 13th to the 24th, for quite a while that we've been watching it. So we will take it seriously until that time period passes. Am I right? I'm so right. Got a tiny chance of severe weather down here, so be on the lookout. How are y'all doing today? It's a beautiful day in Houston, Texas. It's a little warmer than I want in the first week of October, but hopefully winter will come to us soon. I like colder weather. Yeah, expect the weird weather to keep ramping up through the 13th-ish and then re-ramp up towards the 23rd-ish. All right? Or 22nd, really. But yeah, this is the next 48 hours of mixed precipitation. Start to get some snow in up here, but a lot of rain over here. Tracking the volcanoes, the Kilauea volcano is erupting lava into a deepening lava lake, filling the Halumuia crater. This video shows the dominant fountain at the west vent from two different angles and the smaller fountaining source emerging through the lava lake. And yeah, so we've got two lava fountains on Earth right now. This one, and then this one over in the Cumbre Vieja in La Palma, Spain. And for all I know, they got the one in Iceland might be fountaining right now. But this one's bad. It has destroyed more than 1,000 buildings as of yesterday. It continues to have some major activity. Yeah, the MJO making it conducive for tropical activity in the CAG area down by the Caribbean, so it will definitely need to be watched closely. TDS weather, the upper low will move across the Ohio Valley over the next few days before exiting this weekend. This will allow for unsettled weather to continue across the region through Friday, Saturday timeline. I'm talking to you, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, and Wisconsin. And so, yep, the weird weather will probably continue to be ramping up. Starting like now. Yay. That looks like quite a storm coming. So I'm going to be a busy dude this week. Yeah, Reed Timmer letting us know Tornado Alley comes alive on Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with up to 3 days of potential severe weather and tornado potential possible. Even the lead system flattens the northern Mexico Ridge nicely and results in a classic dryline setup in Oklahoma Sunday. And I started diet on Monday. Twitch got hacked and everybody's data got leaked online. Most interesting thing being what everybody got paid by Twitch this month, which is fascinating. Ovilie May must have had a super sweet deal because she got $69 billion. Is that million? I don't know, which totally outgrosses Pokemon. Mike Torello letting us know it is still fire season. Oil is still on a tear as oil disasters are pretty much happening daily now. Pluto pipeline under the ocean. Tanker at Marathon Refinery in Texas City is leaking oil. Yeah, that's nasty, dude. Thank you, Christina Cobble. Somehow, someone just, how did that even, I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Jackie Jaras, radar estimating 8 inches and more of rain has fallen here in the past few days. Bruton, Alabama is near Florida state line, north of Pensacola. Caroline Carreter's more flooding pics from Bruton and East Bruton from WKRG Blake Brown. And part of me is just relieved that I've been talking about the final 5th Pluto Square Eris point on the 9th for months. And so I'm just glad that we're almost through all of that horrible shit. But it will probably end with a lot of fireworks. And by fireworks, I mean possible volcanoes, earthquakes, and wild weather. Joseph Cooper, the fall severe weather season looks to turn active over the next 5 to 10 days. The CIPS analogs show uptick in severe weather activity, while daily threats, timing, locations will need to be fine-tuned. Main takeaway is the overall increase is probability. So yeah, dude, it's about to get super duper wild, weather-wise. So let's do our best with the hand we've been dealt and the situation that we've got. And, of course, I still love you, Selena. Happy new moon, y'all. I hope y'all have a great day. All right, I'm trying to rattle out videos since there's so much happening right now. I'm having trouble keeping up with all the stories. Okay. And thank you again so much, Asteroid Fight Club. You guys are utterly, fantastically incredible, and I appreciate you so much. I feel so grateful. And if you guys would like to contribute, I've still got $566 left to go to raise my full October goal, and I can totally shut up about money, at least until November. I would like to say thank you again to the Texas Angel, Joe, Dave, Greg, Courtney, Chris, Barbara, Red, Angel, Mist, David, Dawn, Max, KJ, Alexis, Ann, Arnica, Glenda, Barbara, Lauren, Brian, Marlita, Dan, Lightsoul, Susan, Wizard of Oz, Mike. You guys are incredible. And if you can, please say a few prayers to Mike's getting healthy from his bad bout with the COVID, because, yeah, that shit is nasty, man. You don't want to get it at all. Everybody have a great day. God bless everyone, and I'll talk to y'all in the near future. Peace out.